Hey guys, Caleb from Crafting the Pool here, coming to you live from my car. It's kind of loud inside my house right now, so probably best for me to just film this in here. So I know a lot of you signed up for the giveaway, or entered the giveaway, and thank you so much for that. Congrats to the winner. I will pick them here in a second. Sorry I didn't get this out sooner. I tried to, but tried to go live, and tech just wasn't wanting to work. I'm gonna have to figure something out for the crochet show whenever we start that up. Hopefully this Saturday, but I mean, I'm sick, so who knows what happens. But yeah, thanks for entering the giveaway, and let's find out who the winner is so I can email them and get them sent their box of goodies. Kind of wanted that bigger, but there we go. Alrighty, let's see who won. I think I just got to click here. It will generate. And Gail Robertson. Awesome. Alright, well, congratulations, Gail. And I will be sending you an email very soon. All you have to do is reply to me with your information, and we're good to go. I will send out your box as soon as I can. And thanks, everybody, for entering. This has been fun. I hope to do some more soon, but you gotta hit another milestone first. I'm gonna also be uploading some new videos soon, so keep an eye out for those. Bye!